Tau depend on material and temperature. V is equal to in bracket ml upon any square tau a into I for same material T increase and tau decrease. Mobility mu is equal to Vd upon E is equal to E upon m into tau. Resistance in bracket ml square t के पावर माइनस क्यूब a to पावर माइनस स्क्वायर r is equal to b upon I is equal to ml upon any square tau a. G is equal to 1 upon r. ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ कंडक्टेंस ohms per ohms और mho. R is equal to ml upon any square tau a. Fixed for the particular material at fixed point, fixed temperature constant. R is equal to rho L upon A. SI unit of resistance is equal to rho to power minus m. Dimensional formula of resistance ml cube e to power minus square a to power minus square. Now reciprocal of resistivity is known as conductivity. Sigma is equal to 1 upon rho. SI unit of conductivity. Mho upon m. Rho depend on in bracket the rho is equal to m upon ne square tau. Nature of material of conductor, temperature, resistance in bracket m l to power square t to power minus cube a to power minus square. R depend on nature of material of conductor, temperature, geometry of conductor, directions of flow of current. R is equal to rho L upon A. Resistivity E upon J is equal to rho. E is equal to rho into J. J is equal to sigma into E. Series combinations of resistance. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 in integral form. R equivalent is equal to integrations of del R. Parallel combinations 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 in integral form. 1 upon R equivalent is equal to rho 1 upon del R. Variations of resistance with geometry. R is equal to rho L upon A. R is directly proportional L if A and rho is constant. If L and rho is constant, R is inversely proportional A. If volume and rho is constant, R is directly proportional L square. If volume and rho is constant, R is inversely proportional A square. Variations of resistivity and resistance with temperature. For conductor, T increase, N is equal to constant, tau decrease, rho increase, R increase. For semiconductor, T increase, N increase, tau decrease, rho decrease, R decrease if is dominant over tau. Alpha temperature coefficient of resistivity. Alpha is equal to del rho upon rho del T. SI unit of alpha is equal to k to power minus 1 For variations of resistivity and resistance with temperature, for conductor, rho is equal to rho naught in bracket 1 plus alpha in bracket T minus T naught. R is equal to R naught in bracket 1 plus alpha in bracket T minus T naught. For conductor, alpha is equal to positive semiconductor, alpha is equal to negative. For Ly like nichrome, alpha is equal to 0